So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. Then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you run this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. If you do not see Startup Settings, then you want to click on SIM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Settings. Now you want to click on Restart. And then once you run this, we're going to enable Safe Mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load, which will now take us into Safe Mode. Now once you're on Safe Mode, you want to head over to Search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You want to expand this. Now you want to repeat what I'm going to show you for every single USB root hub that you have. I've only got one, you may have more. You want to repeat what I'm going to show you for every single one that you have. So once you find USB root hub, you want to right click on it, and then click on Properties. Now you want to click on Power Management. It's going to be saying allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You want to untick this. You want to untick this and then click on OK. You want to repeat that for every single USB root hub that you have. And then once you've done that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.